Good morning, children. Welcome to our online class. This is 9th standard maths. First chapter set language exercise 1.6. Sixth sum. In an examination, 50% of the students passed in mathematics and 70% of students passed in science, while 10% students failed in both subjects. 300 students passed in both the subjects. Find the total number of students who appeared in the examination if they took examination in only two subjects. Okay, already I draw the Venn diagram. First I am taking the sums. 50% of students passed in mathematics. Here two subjects has appeared. What are the subjects? Maths and first subject is maths, second subject is science. So two subjects has appeared, maths and science. Then 50% of students passed in mathematics. So 50% of students mathematics means I'll write this diagram 50%. Then 70% of passed in science. 70% passed in science. Then 10% failed in both subjects. This circle is represent the past only. So failed is out of the circles we can write the failed students. 10%. 10% write the failed. Then 300 students passed in both the subject. All the values are given percentage only, but only passed in both subjects given the numerical number. So first I am going to find what is the percentage of passed in both the subject. So that is unknown numbers. I am taking x. And remaining one thing, 50% of max students, they including x also here. So 70% of science students, the x also including there. So I'm going to divide at minus 50, but because I'm only taking the max students, max subject. Uh, the max student passed in only for mathematicals only, because mathematicals means the x means represent both the subject. So I will subtract x from 50, I will get only max students. Same thing, 70 minus x. Then you know what is the whole percentage? Whole percentage means 100. So so I am taking. Now I am going to find the value of x. So how I am going to find that? 50 minus x plus x. I am adding all the values. 50 minus x plus 70 minus x. Then this is the past value. 10% plus 10%. This is the failed person. I am adding all that. Total is equal to 100%. I am taking total equal to 100. Then the minus x and plus x are cancelled. Then I adding the constant value 50 plus 70, 120 plus 10, 130. 130 minus x equal to 100. Then I keep it minus x this side. I bring down the 130 opposite side. Opposite side 100 minus plus is going to opposite side, minus change to minus 130. it gives minus 30. So minus x and then equal to minus 30. So minus minus cancel, x equal to 30. So 30% of students passed in both subject. Already they are given the numbers. How much? 300 students passed in both the subject. So I'm equal 30% equal to 300 equal to 300. You know 30% equal to 300. Then 300. Okay, we know that what is the percentage of passed both in subject. Next we want find the total number of students who appeared in the examinations. So how did you find that? You know 30% of students of 300. So I am taking 30 percentage. What is the 30 percentage of all students? 30 percentage of, 30 percentage of all students. Total number of students I am taking n. N is equal to total number of students. Because I don't know, now I am going to find the total number of students. So 30% of n is equal to 300. You know that because already we have found 30% equal to 300. So what is the total value for total people so appeared in examination? How did you find that? First I'm going to change the 30%. You know the what is the 30%? 30% is equal to 30 by 100. Of means multiply. Of means multiply. And n equal to 300. Then I keep it the n here. N is equal to total number of students equal to 300. I bring down the 30 by 100 in opposite side. It changed. It changed to. Sorry. It changed to reciprocal of 100 by 30. So 30 comes in how many times? 10 times. In 300. 10 times. So final we have the value n is equal to 1000. 10 into 100, 1000. So total students appeared in total students and appeared in the examinations 1000. So 1000 students are appeared in the examinations. Now you understand? Thank you.